In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an order in Shippo. Now, a quick heads up before we dive in. While Shippo doesn't actually allow you to permanently delete an order, you can hide it from view, effectively cleaning up your workspace. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser you're comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Shippo. Hit enter, and you'll see a list of results. Look for the link that has goshippo.com in the URL. This is Shippo's official site, so click on that link to proceed. Once you're on the Shippo homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You should find the Log In button somewhere on the top right of the screen. Click this button, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Shippo dashboard, where all the action happens. Now focus on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see various icons representing different sections. Look for the icon labeled Orders and click on it. This is where all of your current orders are listed and where you'll be able to manage them accordingly. Next, find the specific order you want to hide. Once you've located it, you'll notice an Options icon, typically represented by 3 vertical dots, next to the order. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll select the option labeled Hide Order. By doing this, you're effectively removing the order from your immediate view, tidying up your order list. But what if you need to see those hidden orders again? Shippo makes this easy. Navigate back up to the top of the Orders section, where you'll find a filter drop-down. Click to open it and look for the option marked Hidden Orders. Selecting this will display all the orders you've decided to hide, giving you access whenever you need it. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your Shippo orders by hiding those that are no longer relevant, without permanently deleting them. This process helps keep your workspace looking neat and organized, while ensuring you can always revisit any orders if necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make managing orders in Shippo a smoother experience for you.